Assalamu alaikum. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can make like this a professional CV in Microsoft Word. So let's start this video. Simply open Microsoft Word, go to print view, select print to PDF and make sure page size is A4. Next, if your CV is lengthy and gonna be on 2 pages, then prior starting make sure to add another blank page. The CV sample I'm gonna show you, it will be a 1-page CV, hence I won't add second page. So first let's go to shapes and add this square shape. Double click on shape and set size 7.69 height and 7.41 width. Remove shape border and select this color. Now again just go to shapes and add this rounded corner shape. Change size to 29.81 height and 9.24 width. Set the position of shape same as I did and edit points. Delete these 2 points so shape will be rounded as we require. To change the shape color, go to more colors and add this color code to get the exact color. Now let's insert a picture. Once you insert a picture, it will go behind the shapes as you can see here. So simply bring it to front of shapes by clicking on wrap text and selecting in front of text. We'll adjust photo size, crop it in rounded shape and add a picture border. Once we are done with picture, now we can add a text box and write name. Make sure to remove text box background color, border and have font Arial size 22 bold italic. Copy same text box, add designation. Again copy text box, bring it down, change text to contact details and add a line under text. Now we'll go to icons, search for phone icon and add it. Change color to white and adjust size. We'll copy a text box and enter contact number. Next we will add email address. Simply copy this icon and contact number. Drag it down and change phone icon to email and contact number to email address. Same as it is, add your location address. Now we'll add next header which is expertise and add your expertise same as I added. The next header will be languages and simply enter all the languages you speak and understand. Lastly, we'll add hobbies as a next header and enter your hobbies. So we are done with this part and it looks pretty good. We'll move to other part of CV where firstly we'll add a square shape. Send it to back of other shapes and change its color same as we did for other shape. Add text box here and type a short and a professional summary. Now we'll add another shape, send it to back and change its color. To look more attractive, we'll change this shape's design by editing points. Now copy any text box and replace it with experience. Here we'll copy a text box and add experience such as company name, designation, duration of job and responsibilities. I have copied already to show you, so simply we'll paste here. Once done, we'll move to last header, which is education. Simply copy existing header, which is experience, and replace it with education. Copy a text box and type your educational details such as degree name, university name, and duration. So here we are done with our CV and it looks amazing and professional. I hope you'll like it, and this video will help you to create your CV in a professional format. Feel free to comment below for any questions you may have. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.